Hello, warm welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will try to understand yet another Neo-Freudian theory of personality by Carl Jung. Okay, Carl Jung, he basically was, he's a Swiss psychiatrist and he has proposed certain traits in individuals, and he has suggested that people, we differ in the ways we make decisions or in the ways we think, okay, based on certain set of criteria or certain sets of traits. Okay, let us see what they are. Extroversion, introversion, sensation, intuition, thinking, feeling, judging and perceiving. If we observe, see, these four are the traits which are more, practicality oriented traits among individuals. Okay. On the other side, on the other hand, these are the traits which are more, feeling oriented or more subjective orientation in, receiving information, processing information, making decisions, all these things. Okay, so let us, if we see them in depth, like extroversion versus introversion, what Carl Jung has proposed is certain people will be extroverts. Okay, extrovertism, like people who are more sociable, who are more lively, who are open to experiences, who are open to more people around them. Okay, so such people who are having this extroversion trait, they are more open to new products and new innovations, new experiences. Okay, and they also are very practical in nature, like they, if they want to make a decision, then they decide things based on factual information. Okay, versus introversion, introverts are more to themselves. Okay, they are not very they are not very sociable in nature. Okay, so such people, they are more, inward oriented people. They do not take lots of cues from outside, rather they are more introverted and inward oriented. Okay, so that characteristics or that those traits, they also reflect in their decision making as well as information processing and all that, both as consumers and as individuals. Okay. Similarly, sensation versus intuition. Those people who are sensational, I mean, who are more sensitive, okay, they process information practically. Okay, they think, their decisions are based on thoughtfulness, practicality, information search, objectivity. These will be the traits who, for those people who are high on this particular trait. Versus intuition. Intuition, in the sense, they are more, feeling oriented. Sometimes we have certain gut feelings, right? Like something is going to happen, which and we are very positive about that, or something is going to happen and we are not so comfortable about that feeling. So based on those intuitions or that kind of feeling oriented thought process, okay, so their decisions also will be more based on emotions and feelings rather than based on objective information. Okay, similarly, thinking versus feeling. Similarly, those who are high on the thinking aspect or the thinking personality trait, they are more objective in nature, as against those who act more based on feelings or emotions. Okay, so that is how. And judging versus perceiving. Here also, judging, people who are judging in nature, like they judge everything objectively. Okay, based on facts and figures, like they are more, facts and figures kind of people. Okay, they do not jump to any conclusions. They properly assess the situation based on certain authentic information, facts. Okay, versus perceiving, like perceiving what we perceive, what we think, what we feel, how do we interpret. Based on such perceptional feelings and emotions, a different set of people, they make decisions. So basically, say these are all the traits that exist in every human being. Okay, so again, we cannot completely, categorize people like black and white. We cannot completely categorize them as completely extrovert, completely 100% sensation, 100% thinking. We cannot do that. Okay, it's actually a mixture of all these things that we practically, as human beings, we all have all these feelings in different proportions. That is what really matters, I think. Okay, so what kind of trait dominates us is our personality. Okay, it is not that every time these people are like this only, every time they do that and make every decision like that only, and every time these people are more feeling oriented, they do not have any practicality. We cannot even say that. Okay, but still, for better understanding, this is how Carl Jung, he has proposed different personality theory. Okay, thank you.